Welcome to Advanced Hair Studio. Today we explore the role of genetics in hair loss. Hair loss is a common concern affecting millions of people worldwide. But did you know that genetics plays a significant role? Genetics determines many aspects of our health, including the likelihood of experiencing hair loss. Hair loss can be inherited from either side of your family. If your parents or grandparents experienced hair loss, you might too. The most common genetic cause of hair loss is androgenetic alopecia, also known as male or female pattern baldness. This condition involves the shrinking of hair follicles over time, leading to thinner and shorter hair until growth stops altogether. Genetic predisposition to hair loss often interacts with hormones like dihydrotestosterone, DHT, which can damage hair follicles. Genetic hair loss typically starts with thinning at the crown, temples, or a widening part in women. Genetic tests can assess your risk for hereditary hair loss, providing insights into prevention and treatment options. Advanced Hair Studio offers a range of treatments, from hair transplants to laser therapy, to combat genetic hair loss. Hear from our satisfied clients who have successfully managed genetic hair loss with our expert treatments.
Thank you so much, Advanced Hair Studio, for making me look 25 years younger. By the moment that we entered the treatment room, everything was explained in meticulous detail. They really took good care of me.
I'm pianist and I'm performing in VIP high-class places, and it's very important for me to look glamorous, perfect, and I trust Advanced Hair Studio.
Don't let genetics define your hairline. Visit Advanced Hair Studio today to explore personalized solutions for hair loss. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more educational videos on hair health.